So bad, aside from my lack of attention as a student in 6th grade, is we had a wonderful French teacher from France, from Paris, named Tony Mack. And during quizzes, during tests, I told the guys before I came out, during tests, she would come, and if come around behind our backs, and if you were getting something wrong, she'd go. So we always got perfect scores, but we never really learned that much. True story. Say break. So this next song is called Mo. Actually, it's a new song. And it's kind of about, well, it's about many things, but I guess it's just about overconsumption. It's one of those rock and roll songs about overconsumption. You know, there's love songs, and then there's songs about overconsumption. This is that one. A doigt. It's called Mo.